Hey Gypsy nurses, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to set up a job alert from your profile. Job alerts are important parts of functionality in your Gypsy nurse profile, and you should make sure that you set one up so you get fed jobs from our job board on a consistent basis. First thing you do is you log into your profile, and from there go to Edit Profile. Once you've gone into Edit Profile, click on My Jobs and Alerts, and you will see the Alert section come up, and click View All Alerts. Once you do that, you go to Add Alert. You'll need to name the alert. In this case, we're going to call it Case Manager and Boston. We'll use a keyword of Case Manager. Keywords will just help us to be more precise in terms of pushing you jobs from our job board. The location will be Boston. You can use state, city, or zip code. Any of them work. For categories, we're going to select Case Manager, which is in our selection tool here. And under job type, we'll choose day shift. And I would like to get this alert on a daily basis. Click Save the Alert, and you're all set. And you'll be on the lookout for alerts coming to your email inbox associated with this account going forward.